Hey guys, and welcome back to CFUP Cubing. Today we have a really awesome unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video of this channel, and hopefully I'm going to have some cubes in here that I will be able to make some more videos about. So let's get this thing opened. We've got the MGC Square-1, and we've got a really cool Polaris Cube. That seems to be it. Alright, so let's take a look at these. I'm going to start with the MGC Square-1. Here's the cube. We've got an accessories box. So it looks like in the accessories box we've got a screwdriver, a little pamphlet. It looks like it just teaches you how to solve the Square-1. Finally, we also have these black parts in case you want the Square-1 to have a black side instead of a yellow side. Finally, we've got the cube itself. There are some giant holes in here. Hopefully that's a good thing. Wow, it's got a very nice matte finish. A lot of people don't like the matte finish because it's so slippery, but I actually really like how it feels. Very sandy, but very strong slice magnets, which is really nice. Oh, very, very nice layers. The other Square-1 I have is the Yushin Little Magic, and I had to add a lot of lubrication to get this any bit as fast as I wanted it, but this thing is just so effortless. Corner cutting is pretty much anywhere on the edge. With some setup, it'll probably get some better. Got pretty good corner cutting. We have to get used to this. Wow, this is a really good cube. I'm probably gonna make a review on it soon, but right now it definitely needs some setup. It's very sandy. I really like the magnet strength. It's way better than the Yushin Little Magic. Also, I'm probably going to change out these pieces. Next, we have the Polaris Cube. This thing looks very scary, and I'm going to make a video on me trying to solve this, so let's just unbox it real quick. Oh my goodness, that was really easy. Normally I have to like rip open the box. Here it is. More matte finish. Wow, this seems very stable. Alright, let's try it out. So, oh my goodness. Looks like the corner is separating a little bit. But let's try this. So you can turn these corners, and if you line them up in a certain way, let's see if I can get it. Then it turns like this. Oh no. Okay, that's really scary. Okay, I've heard that it's a lot like a skewb. It looks nothing like a skewb to me. If you don't know what a skewb is, this is a skewb. It does look similar, like there are corners and centers, but the skewb turns like this, and this does not turn like that. It just has the corners that turn. The corners on this does not turn. So I guess I'm going to have to scramble this. There we go. And oh wait, there we go. How does this even go? What? Wow, it seems like a very stable, slow cube, but it also seems like these things are gonna fall out. I don't know if that actually is going to happen or not, but we'll just have to find out soon. Alright, this looks sufficiently scrambled, so I'm going to attempt to solve this in a later video. Anyway, there are going to be more videos about both of these cubes, but so far, first impressions, they're both pretty cool. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.